Today, I want to get really honest with you about something. The medication won't do it all for you. Now, GLP-1s are powerful, but they're just a tool. If you're waiting for it to fix everything without changing your mindset or habits, you're going to feel stuck. So let's break that thinking today. One of the biggest benefits of being on a GLP-1 is how it quiets food noise and reduces cravings. But the space it creates is not the solution, it's the opportunity. It gives you breathing room to practice new habits, choose meals that fuel you, and handle emotions without food. The medication won't automatically heal emotional eating. It just gives you the chance to do that work yourself. Another thing I see is a lot of people tweaking doses constantly because they're frustrated with progress. And yes, you should follow your doctor's guidance, but the dose can't replace the daily choices. Your bedtime, your meals, your walks, how you handle stress without eating. The prescription is support, not the plan. So remember, your habits are what makes this sustainable. Now, this one thing is tough, but it's so important. Taking the shot isn't outsourcing the work. It's choosing support. You're still the one making daily decisions, and that's actually empowering. Because if you own your part, you can change it. That's where real transformation happens. Today, I want you to ask yourself, what am I expecting the medication to do for me that I'm not doing for myself? Is it emotional regulation, meal planning, saying no when you're full? Pick one thing and practice it today. The shot helps, but you build the change. Drop a construction emoji in the comments if you're committed to doing the work alongside your medication. And remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.